Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Xbox 360. First, connect the power supply unit to the console and then plug it into a wall outlet. Next, use an HDMI cable to connect your Xbox 360 to your television. Make sure all these connections are firm and secure. This ensures your console receives power and can display visuals on your screen, getting you ready for the next steps. Now, let's get your controller ready. Insert two AA batteries into your wireless Xbox 360 controller. Then, press the guide button on the controller and the small sync button on the console to pair them. For internet access, you can either plug in an Ethernet cable or navigate to the system settings to configure your Wi-Fi connection. This step is crucial for online gaming and updates. With your console powered on, you'll see initial setup prompts. Follow these to select your language and region. Take a moment to adjust the display settings to ensure the best picture quality on your television. Finally, create a new Xbox Live profile or sign in with an existing one. This profile is your gateway to online gaming, digital purchases, and connecting with friends. You're almost there. To start playing, simply insert a game disc into the console's disk drive. Once it loads, navigate the dashboard to select and launch your game. Don't forget to explore the Xbox 360 Marketplace, which offers a wide variety of digital games, demos, and downloadable content to enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your new console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.